In this video, you'll learn how to sell clothes on eBay effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to create appealing listings and manage your sales smoothly. Start by selecting the clothing items you wish to sell. Ensure each item is clean and in good condition. Take clear photographs from different angles, focusing on important details like brand labels and fabric condition. These images will help potential buyers understand the quality of the items. Record essential information, including size, brand, color, and material. This preparation is crucial as it significantly enhances the chances of making a sale. Next, sign into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sell section to begin creating a new listing. Enter a clear, descriptive title for your clothing item. Choose an appropriate category that best fits the item you are selling. After that, upload the photos you took during the preparation stage. Craft a detailed description that includes the size, condition, and any distinctive features of the clothing. Setting a competitive price is vital. Therefore, check similar listings on eBay to gauge the market rate. Providing accurate and thorough information aids buyers in making informed decisions. Once your item sells, you will receive an order notification in your eBay account. Immediately prepare to manage the order. Carefully package the clothing item to ensure it remains protected during shipping. It is advisable to use sturdy materials to prevent damage. After packaging, print the shipping label provided by eBay. Choose your preferred carrier to send the package. It is essential to update the tracking information for the buyer once the item has been shipped. This not only keeps the buyer informed, but also helps in fostering a positive selling experience. Good communication with buyers and prompt shipping are crucial elements in building your seller reputation on eBay. A positive reputation increases your chances of receiving favorable feedback, which can significantly enhance your visibility. Always strive to provide an excellent experience for your customers, as this can lead to repeat sales and referrals. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.